Hi team, Unit 9, Lesson 4, Classifying Triangles. Building off the previous days, your skill is identify the characteristics of triangles to identify them. Application is identify the angle type, a little bit different than the previous days, and I think I might have gotten too sequenced in this, but identify the angle type, identify the side length, label angles and side length, identify and label triangles, and explain the characteristics of a given angle. I actually think their questions are good. What do I notice about the angles? What does this tell me about the type of triangle this is? What do I notice about the size? What does that tell me about what type of triangle this is? I kept these the same because the last 2 days were too leading in their questioning, and this is less. So when we're getting here, this is the type of annotation you must insist on from kids today. So these little symbols mean equal to, and then I'm using A, R, and O for the angles. None of these are equal because it's a scalene triangle. And so what kids need to understand is triangle by angle, attributes all acute, to acute, whoa, that says cat, acute, one right, to acute, one obtuse, and that being able to recognize the characteristics of an acute triangle is all acute, characteristics of a right triangle is one right, characteristics of an obtuse triangle is one obtuse, and then moving down to a triangle always has two names. Its names are based on its side lengths and its angle lengths. And so these guys down here are isosceles, scalene, and equilateral. Equilateral equal, isosceles two equal, scalene none equal. And I think that if you guys think of a cool song for specifically this section for how to help kids identify the name to the triangle, it'll be really helpful to you. This is one thing that kids have struggled with in the past, is recognizing equilateral is not so hard, but isosceles versus scalene has been really complicated.